We use onions in our homes every day, so you have to make sure that they are grown safely. To help with the onion crop, we have Karisa Makini on the farm, an expert from CAPI, manufacturers of safe organic biopesticides. When did you start this onion business?
We started this last year. It's been 6 months. Our first crop was not as good as this one,
Right.
but we've learned along the way. Of course, challenges are there. Attacked by thrips, a lot of using of pesticides.
So initially when you started this, what was your intention and why did you do that?
Basically, we wanted to do farming from a different perspective, how and what our parents have been doing. So we decided to do onions instead of just maize and beans all the time.
Karisa, I've noticed that you've been around, you've checked out the onions. Yeah, so what was your observation?
Yeah, I've done my scouting and I've realized that there is a serious and notorious invader called thrips. You see the white patches?
Yeah.
These are signs of thrips. How you scout thrips is you need to focus on the younger leaves. So you have to open up these bigger leaves, then look down the neck of the onion. You'll be able to see thrips. So thrips is what we call polyphagous insect. Poly means many, phagous means feeding. So if you combine the two words, polyphagous simply means thrips feed on many plant families. We have grass family, trees family, shrubs, and other vegetation around. By the fact that it has many homes, that means the chances of survivals are high. Number two about thrips is that they like hiding. Very tricky. You need to smoke him out.
Yeah.
Okay? Then thrips has 4 stages of life cycle. We have egg, larvae, pupa, and adult. So out of the 4 stages, 3 stages are found on the crop. But there's one notorious stage called pupa stage that hides in the soil.
We've been using pesticides and other foliars to enable the crop just fight for itself. Because at the back of our minds, we want to do everything organically, less of insecticides, because we're also consumers of the same.
So when you spray your crop, simply, you've been focusing only on these 3 stages, the egg, the larvae, and the adult, which are located on the crop. But remember I told you there's another stubborn stage called pupa stage that resides on the soil. So in the soil, we have a product that is a solution to that. It's called flower dust. It's in dust formulation. Flower dust is broadcasted just on the top of the soil. Because it's in dust formulation, sometimes you need to wear a mask for guys who have allergies.
Oh, okay.
And before you broadcast flower dust, you need to make sure that your field is clean. You remove all the weeds so that flower dust come in contact with the soil.
Wow. Okay.
This is a natural product that is formulated using pyrethrum flowers and other 2 components. So you can do what we call a holistic approach. Arrest the pupal stage that is in the soil, okay? Then use your normal sprays above the crop to clear the adult and larvae. Now, remember I mentioned that thrips are cryptic. They like hiding. So the primary role of flower dust is to kill the pupal stage. But we have the secondary advantage of this product. It's called flushing out effect. So it will help you flush out thrips from the hiding place to come out so that you can hit them directly using your chemical spray. That's why I said it's a game changer. All right?
Flower dust is able to kill over 95% of thrips in the soil. How often should farmers apply flower dust?
Recommended is monthly because of the life cycle. Under the normal temperatures, the pupal stage will appear once in a month. But under high temperatures, the life cycle is shorter. Apply twice in a month.
So at what stage would you start applying?
When you do scouting, that one will tell you when to come with flower dust so that you avoid a scenario where you are firefighting thrips. So the earlier, the better.